Everyone, today's third match between KACC vs ACC. Before knowing the stats of the every player, please subscribe my Telegram channel. Go to the Telegram channel and type target for Grand League. You will see my channel. Then please subscribe my channel so that you can get any information after the lineups also. I will give you the teams also. So please subscribe my channel. Now we will know the stats of the every player. I will explain you the batting order and bowling also. So try to listen carefully. And Kovor is the opening batsman and his average player, and his stats is 8 matches 75 runs 1 wicket. B Ahmad is the one down batsman, 8 matches 105 runs, and he is a very good pick, so try to keep him as a main player only. And Sultan is a main important player and he is the captain also, and his stats is 13 matches 172 runs 3 wickets. Ulal Khan is the middle order batsman, 3 matches 68 runs. So if the top order will fail, the middle order will be played. So Ulal Khan can play important role. Now we will see the batting order. R. Mohan Reddy will open the innings of N. Kovur. 13, his stats is 13 matches, 97 runs, 15 wickets, and he will bowl also. So try to keep him as the main player only, because he will consider the runs also, and he can take crucial wickets. And M. Barber is the opener and he is a very good player. 13 matches, 353 runs and 3 wickets. Try to keep him as the main player only. M. Tarar is the middle order batsman. I didn't get his stats. If I get his stats, I will inform you in my Telegram channel. M. Hussain is the another important player from KACC, and he will bowl also, and his stats is 6 matches, 112 runs and 4 wickets. He is a very important player. Try to keep the combination of R. Mohan Reddy and M. Hussain, because they both can bowl and bat also. So try to keep them combination. H. Arbaji is an opener batsman, but he didn't open the previous match, but he will bowl also, and his stats is 4 matches, 102 runs. Now we will see the all-rounders. S. Rahman is the middle order batsman, and his stats is 8 matches, 200 runs and 15 wickets. He is the important player and important all-rounder. Jet Paston, I didn't get his stats, but he will bowl 2 overs, so it's your choice to keep him or not. F. Jamani is the middle order batsman, and his stats is 9 matches, 17 runs and 5 wickets. I think his runs are not at all good, but he can take some wickets, so try to keep him only player. Don't go with him as a captain or vice captain. As Amargali is another middle order batsman, and his stats is 10 matches, 96 runs, 3 wickets. Judge Jajai is the another all-rounder from ACC, and his stats is 3 matches, 8 wickets, and he will bowl 2 overs, and he can pick good wickets also. So try to keep him as a main player only. M. Safi, I didn't get his stats, but he is the important player, and he is the hitter from KACC side. So he will bowl also. So try to keep him. It's your choice to keep him or not. Coming to the bowling side, Ed Jardran is the good bowler, and he will open the bowling innings. So his stats 11 matches, 16 wickets. So try to keep him. T. Srijat is another good player, 9 matches, 14 wickets. Try to go with this combination, A. Jardran and D. Srijat, because they can both bowl and they can took good wickets also. Ashishak is the another good player from KACC, and his stats also very good, and is the opening bowling from KACC side in 3 matches, 6 wickets. M. Vakas and his stats is 9 matches, 5 wickets. Try to go with this combination also, Ashishak and M. Vakas. Ashishak is important player because he is selected by lowest percentage, but he can take some crucial wickets. Khan, I didn't get his stats, but he will bowl 2 overs. It's your choice to keep him or not. Jad Rahman and his stats is 6 matches, 2 wickets. He is the average bowler, so it's your choice. And coming to the captain and vice captain choices, you can go with M. Mohan Reddy, M. Hussain, and coming to the wicket keepers, B. Ahmad and Sultan. Also you can go captain and vice captain. S. Rahman also. And coming to the bowling side, you can go with A. Jardin, D. Srijat also. These are the good picks of captain and vice captain choices. Try to play the grand leagues only. Don't play head to head matches, you may lose some amount. So try to play the grand leagues only. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Thank you.